Trust. Ugadi is the New Year's Day for the people of the Deccan region of India, particularly in the states of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Karnataka. It falls on the first day of the Hindu month of Chaitra, which usually falls in late March or early April. Beginning of New Year. Ugadi marks the beginning of New Year and is considered as an auspicious time for new beginning. Panchanga Shravanam, people gather to listen to the recreation of the Panchanga for the upcoming year. Mango leaf decoration. Homes are decorated with mango leaves which symbolize property and good future. Ugadi Pachadi, a special dish called Ugadi Pachadi is prepared which is a mixture of 6 tastes: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, pungent and astringent. Thanking for giving this opportunity.